Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the little high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Now what?
I don't know.
Do your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, Y, and Z, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
What sound does A make?
A,
B?
B,
C?
K.
D?
Like A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah, what sound does D make?
B,
D. How do you spell mom?
M-O-N.
How do you spell dad? How do you spell dad? D.
D,
D. A. D.
D, E, D.
How do you spell dad?
Daddy,
How do you spell it?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. You spell it all the time, just like mom. You spell mom M-O-M, and how do you spell dad? Okay? What sound does D make?
Mm,
Kind of like dog. D, D, D.
yeah, like doggy.
What sound does it make? What is that? What letter is that?
D,
And then A
A.
is what sound? Is what word?
I don't know.
Katie. Katie. I can't see you if you're upside down on the table. Say bye.
Hi, but I didn't sing another song.
You want to sing another song?
Huh?
What
Like,
song?
Um, um,
One of
the
your...
McDonald had a farm.
Okay.
Good. See, ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
I mean, your market said go.
On your mark, get set, go.
Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a mouse. E-I-E-I-O. When a oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Alright. That's a good song.
And what else?
I don't know. Say bye.
No! I'm not done singing another song.
Okay. Well, we have to stop now because it's getting too long. And then we'll put it on the computer, okay? So say bye.
No, I didn't do.
We'll do another one in a minute. Say bye for now.